What we're looking at here is a wheat yield map in PCT's Field Viewer. Completed yield map. It's been cleaned up and it's ready to go. It shows us the variation in yield in the areas for each yield quantity, and that's ready to go for further more advanced analysis, perhaps looking at nutrient replacements or analysis against EM maps and so forth to try and look at opportunities to improve productivity. But increasingly we're actually getting multiple machines of multiple brands operating in the field, and just to show the effects of that, here we have 4 machines operating simultaneously when this field was harvested, and this is the original raw data without any editing occurring to it. And we can see there where it's quite strippy, where we can see each machine has been operating within the field. Now, if we were to just process it like that, even with minimal editing, it's very hard to remove that effect. And you finish up with quite a blocky map, which is more about where each machine operated, how much area it covered. But we have got a blocky map, and it doesn't have much use for more advanced analysis. It's not even a true reflection of where profitability varied across the field. So at PCT, we've been working on some techniques to help work with this data from multiple machines, and in doing so with this field, we've applied those techniques. And you can see as I fade this top map through, we're going to have the completed yield map, which has been properly calibrated and adjusted, and the errors removed. And we can see a more natural structure in the yield map, which is more representative of where the wheat yield varied across this field. So now this map's in a condition where the farmer can assess it for variability in profitability and assessing against soil data and other supportive information to move forward with precision ag on his farm.
And you're also saying, Michael, that old data may still be useful?
Definitely. There could be cases over several years where people have viewed their data having been harvested by multiple machines and have been faced with this sort of condition here, and the standard types of programs available to people haven't really had the inbuilt techniques to correct for this. So that information may have been discarded or just left on USBs in the drawer, and there's a real chance that this can be assessed, and we can work with this information to still bring out usable yield maps from that. So if you're in this situation, it's well worth having a look to see whether with these new techniques that we can make this data usable for them.